Accelerated Online Weekend Crash Course with Expert Professional Teachers. In today's fast-paced world, where continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth, the demand for flexible and intensive learning opportunities has surged. The concept of a weekend crash course has gained immense popularity, offering individuals the chance to acquire new skills and knowledge in a short span of time. Leveraging the power of the Internet, online weekend crash courses have emerged as a convenient and effective way to learn from professional teachers. This article explores the benefits and features of such courses and how expert instructors contribute to their success. Online education has transformed the way we learn, making education accessible to a global audience. The concept of a weekend crash course capitalizes on this accessibility, providing condensed and focused learning experiences over a short time frame. This is particularly appealing to individuals with busy schedules who seek to enhance their skills or explore new subjects without committing to long-term courses. Benefits of online weekend crash courses. 1. Time efficiency. Traditional education can be time-consuming. Weekend crash courses offer a concentrated dose of learning, allowing participants to acquire valuable skills over just a few days. 2. Flexibility. Online courses break down geographical barriers, enabling learners to participate from anywhere. This flexibility is especially valuable for professionals who may travel frequently or have irregular schedules. Expert guidance. These courses are often taught by professionals who are experts in their fields. Their real-world experience and industry insights provide learners with practical knowledge that can be immediately applied. 4. Intensive learning. Immersive learning experiences during weekend crash courses facilitate rapid absorption of information. The intensive format encourages active engagement, leading to enhanced retention. 5. Cost-effectiveness. Weekend courses are generally more affordable than long-term programs. This accessibility ensures that learners from diverse backgrounds can access quality education. The effectiveness of any crash course heavily relies on the quality of instruction provided. Professional teachers play a pivotal role in delivering impactful learning experiences. Here's how they contribute. 1. Expertise. Professional teachers are subject matter experts with in-depth knowledge and experience. Their insights provide learners with accurate and up-to-date information. 2. Structured curriculum. Teachers design well-organized curricula that cover essential concepts in a concise manner. This structured approach ensures that learners receive a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. 3. Interactive teaching. Effective teachers engage participants through interactive sessions, discussions, and activities. This dynamic approach fosters a deeper understanding and promotes active participation. 4. Real-world examples. Teachers bring real-world scenarios into the virtual classroom, helping learners connect theoretical knowledge to practical applications. Individualized attention. Despite the short duration, professional teachers strive to provide personalized attention, addressing learner queries and concerns effectively. Online weekend crash courses led by professional teachers offer a unique and efficient way to acquire new skills and knowledge. These courses combine the benefits of intensive learning, flexibility, and expert guidance, making them an attractive option for lifelong learners, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. As technology continues to reshape the education landscape, evolve, providing continuous opportunities for growth and development. For any query about online weekend crash course, call us given address. Here is our address. Thank you, smart teacher.